Alright guys, what's up? We have a beautiful 2020 Husqvarna Svartpilen 701 right here. And we're going to get this thing all done up with some sweet cutback graphics. Just doing a nice before walk around for you guys. And we'll set a record for throwing these graphics on fastest ever at 3, 2, 1...